So recent iOS and macOS updates to 17.6.1 on iOS and 14.6.1 on macOS have broken some functionality in shortcuts when trying to parse strings if the string is interpreted as a URL. So I'm going to show you one that's broken. If I run this, the error that I'm getting is no value is provided to the set dictionary value, blah, 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 blah. So all you need to do is open the shortcut, and where it says dbURL, type text, go to this and put a space at the start, and then it should work. So that's a working shortcut now. And the same applies to shortcuts on the iPhone. So here we have my iPhone. So here's a broken one, the add notion action. And you'll see in this case, it's saying something else, no value is found for title. So you just need to edit it. So tap on the three dots, swipe down until you find the setup dictionary. You're looking for dbURL right here. I tap it in the field on the left and then tap across just to get at the beginning. If you select this directly, it sometimes puts the cursor at the end, which is a pain, but simply add a space and hit done. And now we should find that this shortcut works. So thankfully it's an easy fix. Apologies for any inconvenience, but hopefully this will get you up and running again.